4:44 we were up, jumped into the shower, put on our branded shirts, and we were out. You know, when you stop to look at the sunrise on the trees and the landmass, it gives you that golden chrome look. Beautiful. So, now that everybody's accounted for, next stop, check-in. I don't know me no play. Me make sure me have everybody passport. So now, it's through security checkpoint, get some food, and boarding. Yeah, it's our first time on an escalator. We're trying not to laugh. The coming off was just as hilarious. It's really relaxing when you reach your flight early, you know, because you get time for board, relax, and before you know it, you're in the air. She did buck down the place, so me have to rest her head on my shoulder. Touchdown in Atlanta. But wait, wanna soon hear the joke. If you put it asleep, but I have your chair asleep, my mouth wide open.
Let me say the one that get couple bucket out there, tell you the
Look here.
the person,
But let me catch her head one at a time and put her head on my shoulder.
yeah man. Come here, tell you say, the seat in front I nearly get it. So we're still there upon the journey, right? But watch your style. We land at Atlanta. And I said to myself, say, oh, we have 8 hours to stay in at the airport before the next flight to go Incheon in Korea. People, so look at the counter and shall we go check? The flight is not 9 o'clock tonight. It's 9 tomorrow morning. And we're not in the sleep in the airport thing. You know what I mean? So we find a hotel and book it and cook it. Yeah. Team there. So they are now officially world travelers. Because they're leaving Atlanta to go to Korea. And we'll tell you no more about the takeoff and the landing, because on the takeoff nobody never fears. But the landing, we say Christina beside me, but we'll tell you about that story there, yeah?
If we go there at Atlanta for the rest of the day, we no must touch road, even if we make a walk around the block. And you know the most important thing we're gonna need? Food.
No, I'm a father, brother, you know. Father, brother,
Shelly, you don't drive something like that? You don't drive something like that?
What?
I think I am called Manchester truck, bro.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yo, my son, I really like
Then only go come out if me drive that.
You know when I see this?
Yes, sir. Only go come out, the job is for example.
hit one more pose. Hit one more kick.
Where you want me to pose?
Wherever you want, I just want that leg back. Cause that's look, you see, I keep putting mine down. I can't even stand that long. Let's go, baby. Hey, I know it. I Relive.
Those are the characters they use and do. First part, you can just walk come over KFC.
Yeah.
Oh, I met Optimus Prime and I took some pictures. Autobots transform.
So we realize say all our clothes then are check on. We have to just find a dollar store.
Burn that out. Run that out and burn that out. So we are moved through the place, right? And we decide say, well, we not do them things here no more. We not do them kind of drink here no more. We mostly pre-water. So we get some snacks, and because it's a overnight thing, we decide so we'll get 2 t-shirts and we'll get some water. So while we're there, I get the water because we decide so we're not in a Coca-Cola thing, we're not in a Dr. Pepper and a Fanta. See, we preserve ourselves and we just have a focus on water. Then all of a sudden, me and Sparta say, Dada, look on that drink here. When we look up here, sir, now you tell me.
What is that?
What is? And any home ever see a brethren come in here and take up this and put him head. Boop!
On the first block.
We are going to go up now, you know? So you know, say Mama Shelly have to just carry the youth them, you know, get some things, you know?
Never know, say, we are go somewhere where, other than country, a yard, when the man them say, you are right round the summer.
Okay.
And you drive, and I'm going to wait round the sun.
Drop something. I know me drop. You're at the
So, yes or no, we are 2 blocks away. I mean, I tell you,
Yeah.
the journey to the first block.
Right now, and the brick them at about a block.
And we just have to go back up here now.
You know the saying, stick to the evil way, you know? So we eat or no. But differently still, no disrespect, it never really smell like Jamaican KFC.
So of course, you don't know the videographer have to catch everything. From where I walk to where I eat. Even when we are asleep. Now watch the snoring when I snore, I did very tired. And watch them two over there so well curl up.
You know, say everywhere we go, we have to dance, right? Dancing make you feel no pain.
4:30 a.m. we were up getting ready for a 15-hour flight.
Ready up now for the second leg, you know? My side, you ready?
Long time. Yes.
Watch them iron man. Them iron him 5 o'clock in the morning.
That's why good for you leave your glasses.
FYI, this was my first train ride.
Please hold on. This train is departing.
Wanna know how me I wait for him to drop asleep? But guess what? Him mouth never open and him never either snore.
This was after the 15 hours flight. But trust me, my body mash up. But finally, we're in Korea.
So we'll grab our check-on luggage from the carousel and then head to a bus. What me like about the bus, yeah, the seat them can recline, the foot them can kick up, and the most important thing, the seat them have heater.
Water, please.
Wish we could understand whatever I say.
Oh.
I'm gonna go to a bus. Right around this road, I want part when I want this.
Oh, here you go.
Korea in the building. Yeah. Can I now play?
It's such an honor to serve you. For next days, I'll be your server. So whatever you need my help, please let me know.
Oh, thank you.
So from here to the hotel.
The journey to the hotel was about 1 hour, which gave us a chance to see the place a little bit.
Come on, guys, we are here.
See, you always catch the footage. Now you're in front of the camera. So we got to our room, got some rest, and then it was meet and greet. And of course, you know, we had to do a few interviews. Next day, we did a site visit, look at the stage, do a little rehearsal. Then of course we went to get some food. And oh yeah, dance. At the end of the opening ceremony, you know, we had to meet up with the ambassador and have a chat.
Our next upload, you will get a chance to see our full performance.
But you have to be a member to view it.
So guess what? Become a member today.